Okay, this video is how to replace your dome light, trip computer, and upper controls assembly. So the first thing you're going to want to do is with a small screwdriver such as this, you get in here and you pop this open. This will allow you to see the same things right here for these lights. Now obviously I'm doing it on the unit that I removed already. So what that does, it pops out these covers. And what you have is your up at the dome assembly, the light controls and your garage and so on and so forth. So once you open this and you take these two off, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws right here. Also, not only will you have these two big clips here, there are two-way clips, which you'll have to first open this way. I don't know if you can see properly, and then you have to kind of push back also this way for the back end of the clip to open as well. And then there are 2 more clips right here, 1 and 2. This thing is pretty lodged in there, so you'll have to finagle it out, dislodge it. Oh, there's also going to be a panel that goes right here, which is this one right here. And it has 4 clips. You see the 2 in the front, 1 and 2, and then the 2 in the back, 3 and 4. These will come off easier if you remove disassembly first. So once you open this up, you take these 2 covers out, and then it will enable you to take the 4 screws off, pop this out, and then you'll be able to remove your light assembly, your dome light and controls assembly, trip computer, and so on and so forth. Yeah, there you have it. Oh, and by the way, this is obviously for Mercedes W163. It's a little different than a 350. This is an ML 500, or was it a 320? They're slightly different units, so you know, make sure you get the right one if you're replacing it. Okay.